Hi, this time we're going to be focusing on the global workplace or the international workplace. As you probably realize from reading your text, the textbook is surrounding a fictitious global corporation that has multinational offices. And so if you look at the Moodle page further down on the Moodle page, from this video, you'll see that I have grouped the class randomly into 6 groups that each represent one of the Global fictitious international offices. The purpose of this assignment is to get you focused on more than just your local environment in the business world. And this can be whether it's a business situation, whether you're a health professional, whether you're education oriented, whatever it is that you propose to do. We live in an international society. We live in an international world. Everything is just as close as a click away on a computer. And so it's important to understand other cultures. So that's what this assignment is focused on. I want you to view the PowerPoint that gives you a lot of information that is covered in your textbook, but also some additional information besides what the textbook covers. Also, if you will view a video that I put together, or I should say a PowerPoint that I put together, that focuses on the London, England office. Just giving you various amounts of information about even England, which you would think is very similar to the United States. Even England has some differences from business expectations in the United States. So this will be beneficial to you in whatever career you pursue. And your assignment this time is to read the pages in the book, view the 2 videos, or the 2 PowerPoints, I keep saying videos, PowerPoints, and select some information that you want to get from page 11 in your book that has questions that you might have about various international cultures. So choose one of those questions and investigate. Get some ideas from my PowerPoint that I did on London, England, and then do some research of your own. I've included some live links for some things that are very good for finding that information, but you can also Google and find your own information. Once you find information that you want to share with the class and to share with me for a grade, I have added a Padlet to the Moodle page this week. So you'll look at it and you'll see it's the global map that is there. It's pretty easy to use. There's some instructions underneath it. But if you'll just double click anywhere on the Padlet, a little box will come up. Put your name, first and last name, and the city or country that you are investigating. So Tokyo, Japan, for example, would be one of the possible groups that you might be in. And then type in the information that you have found that is helpful to the class. I put a sample post on for London, England, and again, you can see what I put there. And then add a visual of some kind, a picture, an image, that will make the information that you type in more attractive and better for people who are reading it. It doesn't matter where you click on the Padlet. Even if you click on top of somebody else's post, it's fine. I'm gonna move them around and single them out so that I can read everybody's post to the Padlet. And if you'd like to go back later and look at some of your classmates' posts, that'll be great. In fact, maybe you want to look for what somebody else has posted so you don't duplicate information that's already there. And for heaven's sakes, don't copy what somebody else did. But I think it'll be a good exercise in researching and finding out about international customs and business expectations and even communication expectations that they might have. So if you have any questions about the assignment, contact me as usual. If you have any problems working with any of the technology, any of the working with the Padlet, or if you don't find yourself in a group, and I know you will find yourself there, but if you can't locate that, it's right under the Padlet, so you'll see your name in one of the groups, and then answer a question about that country. Now, you might not find anything specific to that city. So, for instance, Dammam, Saudi Arabia, you may not be able to find anything particularly about Dammam, but you should be able to find something about Saudi Arabia that can be useful. So that's the assignment this week. Enjoy it, explore. Also, one last thing to point out in the video, in the PowerPoint, I can't seem to get those words straight. In the PowerPoint on the global businesses in the global workplace, there is a little video to watch, and I strongly suggest that you watch that video. You just click on it right in the PowerPoint, and it'll take you to the video to watch. But it just shows you how different societies are in their expectations. So enjoy your assignment, and I hope you learn a lot, and I'll see you next time.